Sanjay Dutt has applied for a furlough yet again. But this time around, the application comes with no specific reasons. The troubled Bollywood star, who is serving his sentence in connection with the 1993 Bombay blast case, has spent over 118 days out of jail, either on parole or furlough. His last one being only 8 months ago. And only recently did the makers of his last on-screen outing PK spark a controversy as they mentioned a special screening for Sanjay.
हम चाहेंगे कि हम संजू के लिए स्क्रीनिंग रखें और मैंने बल्कि राजू और विनोद से कहा भी है कि हम अथॉरिटीज़ को ऑफिशियली परमिशन मांग सकते हैं अगर वो हमें परमिशन दें तो हमें बड़ी खुशी होगी.
See, we shot, I had about 16 days of work with Sanjay Dutt. So we had finished 15 days in Rajasthan and there was only 1 day of work left in Mumbai when this happened. So that time I didn't even know that the judgment is going to come so soon. So we finished most of the chunk. When we came to Bombay later, around May, I think this news came that he has to go for this many years. And so that 1 day was tough to shoot.
Dutt has been out of prison earlier, citing his wife Manyata's health issues and on parole on the grounds of his own deteriorating health. The apparent leniency of the government in granting Sanjay Dutt repeated furlough or parole was also questioned by the Bombay High Court in February this year. But his latest director thinks otherwise.
There's no special treatment being given to him, so I doubt whether we'll be able to show it to him.
And while this application is yet to be cleared, it's the much eventful life of Mr. Dutt that's caught the fancy of this filmmaker.
This was when Sanju had come out on parole for 3 months. So that's the time actually he opened up and he told me many things about his life. And then I discovered that what I know about Sanju is actually, though I worked with him in 3 films, I knew 1% of his life. So there's so much to his life. And every day Abhijat and me I sat with him for 25 days to hear his entire life story. Every evening I would go at 5, come back at 3 in the morning, hearing what his life was all about. And every evening every morning I would say, we would step out of his house and say, oh, there could be one man who's lived like 20 lives rolled into one. You look at he's been through drugs, through underworld, through court cases, through being called a terrorist, his relationships, his relationship with his father's death, and there's so much in his life that I thought this deserves a film.
Poonam Chandarsi in Mumbai, 4 Times Now.